Hey dudes and dudettes, we are at the bug match, the backup gun match. Welcome to the 80s. I have the greatest pistol of the 80s ever, the C.O.P Derringer, concealed off-duty protection. This is 4 barrels, 357 Magnum, and I'm gonna crush it at the match today with this. All right, we've got a little bit of an unusual one here. You start holding one assailant at weapon point here. You then switch, do your draw, switch, get your gun, and engage 2 falling steel poppers and a paper target. But you have to keep this hand on this weapon, on this assailant, the whole time. Yes.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
That's the fun part about this match. So I'm shooting a 5-shot, and I may or may not reload it all during the game.
Ah! 12.
Considering he hit it with 357 and it didn't go down, can you say velocity
Nope.
times mass? Barrel.
Hey, Fred, haven't seen it in a while.
Short barrel. It has been a while. 2015, I was on the board then.
Yeah, I remember.
So you and I liaised.
I think we have a
Yeah, I
crowbar.
remember. Good to see you again.
I know there is a crowbar on the other stage.
Pencil?
I can get this. There we go.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Pull the trigger 4 times. Range is clear. 12 seconds. You got 1 hit on steel.
All right, so apparently I hit the big steel, but didn't knock it down. I missed the small steel, and no idea where I was on the paper. The trick to the C.O.P 357 is that all 4 barrels shoot to totally different points of aim, with really, like, the sights are only marginally decent if you know where the points of aim are, which you don't, because it's got a rotating striker. That's always changing, like, you never know which order you're going to be shooting in. Did I get anything on paper?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got a good hit.
Oh, that's 1. Was there only 1?
Yes.
Yep. Got 1 hit on paper.
You got 1 hit on.
Wow, that was terrible. On this guy, you start here, draw your gun, exchange for your real gun, and then engage the first target with no more than 2 shots. Then you have to retreat back to this barricade, and from here you can engage the other 2 targets. It was worthwhile.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
Wham!
Hey, step over to the barrel, please. Range is clear. 7 seconds. 0.85.
All right, 7 was nice and fast. Cleaned this guy.
That was a shoot
6.
through.
And I was really hoping for shoot through, so I was kind of like trying to get 1 shoot through on the left and 1 shoot through on the right.
Tumbling? Is that what's going
It
on?
looks like it to me. They look like they're tumbling.
So 7, 6, and 1.
All right, so I got this guy good.
Oh yeah,
I got that guy just barely at all.
that would be the pelvic area.
You know what? I legitimately tried. I tried to get a sight picture on that guy, and I don't know if that was a shoot through or my actual intentional
7, 6,
shot.
1, 14.
But that C.O.P 357, the barrels all fired at different points of aim, and none of them really correspond with the sight. So, do you need to show off your wicked guns in this righteous, sleeveless, forgotten weapons hoodie? Available through the merch store. Links in the description below. All right, so on this one, there are barricades which have already been taken down. But you start here, you have 3 paper targets and 2 steel targets. You have to engage them all. You can only see the steel, more or less, from the far edges.
Are you ready? Shooters ready. Stand by.
Oh, this is going to be bad.
Can we cue the Jeopardy theme, please?
Come on. All right,
You
I
can
got the
do
old
it.
ones out.
Time's up.
Oh,
I'm sorry, but your time's up. You had a good time, though.
bummer. It's gnarly.
All right, you can close it up. Pull the trigger 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Range is clear. 8 seconds.
Hey, well, I tell you, that reload saved you 22
So technically,
seconds.
because I did not fire a shot,
Yes, you
I did not actually get more of a time penalty, so my time is actually 8. I did manage to knock down the one steel that I aimed at and spent like 5 seconds trying to pull the trigger on. I got a hit.
It's 14.
I got a hit.
Take that
Did I get a hit on this guy?
Yep.
Yeah, radical. All right. This is a simple one. You start on the left side and you get 1 shot at the small steel plate. You then move to the window. You get 2 shots at the paper target, and then you move to the right side and you get 3 shots, or whatever you've got left, at the large steel target. Oh yeah!
Born ready. Shooters ready. Stand by.
Well, was he reloading? Well, it's a real question.
Ah!
He is.
I have no ammo.
Oh, that's going to slow it down.
All right, I think we're done.
You were going to be done that quickly.
I was definitely done anyway.
All right, close it up. Range is clear. 10 seconds.
Excuse me, I have...
All right, so I made another fruitless attempt to actually reload that thing on the clock, but of course all the cases stick, so it took me 20 seconds to try and get them out.
I hit it once.
Two there,
Four.
3 and 1.
Four.
All right, I got 4
7.
points. A mediocre hit and a poor hit.
4.
Here, check
7.
your keyhole hit here.
And check that out. Do I get double points for keyholing?
I think maybe we could arrange something like that. How much cocaine did you get off that guy?
I don't think we get double points for keyholing.
No, you don't.
And then I got 1 on the steel, so a grand total of 4, 7 points out of a possible 21. So apparently, dudes, this is actually a completely awful, terrible, horrible gun. I had all manner of issues with this. The first issue is that it has 1 set of sights, which are potentially aligned with 1 of the 4 barrels, but you never really know which one, and there's no way to track which barrel you're actually firing at any given time. There's a rotating striker in there that just cycles through all 4 of them. So if I just had a 4-round gun on stages designed for 5 rounds, I could like make it work, sort of, you know, pick headshots. But I couldn't do that with this because not only did I only have 4 rounds, I couldn't accurately tell where they were going to go. So my scores were pretty atrocious overall. The gun did work reliably. A lot of these don't actually fire reliably. I did have problems with extraction. You saw that when I tried to reload 2 of the stages. I tried and failed to reload. So perhaps it is best that we are no longer in the 80s. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This was a lot of fun to do. Thanks for watching.